Hi everybody, Stuart here. It's Monday the 28th of January. The US markets just opened, cash markets just opened about 10 minutes ago. And it's really equities and commodities dominating the news this afternoon. We've got a move down here on the oil market. It was triggered this morning. It was moving down most of the day, but held the 200 period. Now we've had a big sell-off in the last hour from some comments from the Saudi oil ministry. And we've, Friday we were looking to get to 54. We were through 53 today, and now we've tested the $52 level and the S3 for the oil market. That's had obviously a follow through for dollar CAD, which had looked, it was moving down. It looked like it was going to test $132 CAD market this morning in the early hours of the Asian trade, but then we turned around this afternoon, and before the oil news broke here out of Saudi, we've started to move up. Key resistance is the 200 period there at 132.95, so it looks like a bit of a stretch, that one, but the pivot now is 132.64 for dollar CAD. The euro didn't really move much on anything that Mr. Draghi had to say at the European Parliament. We've been in this range all day, still over 114. We tested this morning, tried to go lower, but we're sort of in this channel here for now. 1400 is 114.00 as key support, and 114.25 doesn't seem much interest at the moment, but maybe waiting to break out one way or the other. Euro pound has given up that 132 handle we talked about this morning and moved down all day. Again, bit of volatility. The Irish would say, or the EU have said that the Irish backstop is its red line, so interesting to see what's going to come out of these amendments and what amendments go forward for the bill tomorrow as well. If there are any or all accepted, we'll see late tomorrow. So pound very much in focus, obviously, on that Brexit discussion. As I say, the big move has been really in equities. We had a big sell-off that again was triggered this morning. We've run down all day, and a big sell-off in the last hour as we come into the cash open here for the futures, right into this 200 period here at 2633.35 for the S&P 500. Caterpillar, main component not of the S&P 500 but of the USA 30, the Dow, big industrial company, obviously disappointed on earnings and also had a weak outlook. Nvidia as well, a key component of the tech market, also had a weak outlook. So earnings off to a sluggish start this week. Remember, it's a big week for tech companies reporting earnings this week. Amazon, Facebook, Apple all reporting earnings, as well as Microsoft as well. So obviously watch the markets, the stock markets, that is equity markets. So equity markets down on the open. Carney has got his question and answer session at the moment, so it hasn't really affected the pound particularly. It's obviously all overridden by Brexit news as far as the pound's concerned. And that's it as far as real data today. So more tomorrow. Take care, and we'll see you then. All the best. Bye-bye.